Mike Kinderleiter here with PowerWash.com and PowerWash University, and I want to talk to you about the features and benefits of our new Wolverine. Oh man, I love this new machine. It is all stainless steel frame and it's on a really small footprint. So at the maximum width, it's 27 inches and then it's 48 inches long. It was designed specifically for those of you who want to put it on a trailer, you want to put it on a truck, and it take up a super small footprint. So you're maximizing your space on your equipment, and you can do more with your trailer or your vehicle because your power washer isn't taking up so much area. That's the two things that I really like about this machine. The base frame is all welded together. This is not a bent and spot welded frame. It is stainless steel with solid welds. It's going to hold together a long time. So let's talk about some other features that it comes with. So it has two 7-gallon tanks on here, one for diesel and one for gas. The pump can either come in a 4-gallon a minute at 4,000 PSI, it come at 5.5 gallon a minute at 3,500 PSI, or it can come at 8 gallon a minute at 3,000 PSI. And then you have the optional clutch that can go on your pump. I like having clutches. I run clutches on just about everything that I own in my contract cleaning side. And the reason I do that is because it preserves the life of the pump. So when you let off the trigger, there's no excess wear and tear going on. It's not just sitting there running and moving those cylinders back and forth and wearing out your packing, things of that nature, the internal components of your pump. The clutch is a great piece of machinery to add to your machine. It also comes with the trigger gun, 50-foot of pressure hose, and the wand. That's part of the system. And then it comes standard with a Briggs & Stratton 23 horsepower. Briggs & Strattons, we run them on all our equipment. They work great, but if you're a fan of Honda, you can also upgrade to a Honda on this and get it as well. You get the standard 4 sets of nozzles, a 0 degree, a 15 degree, a 25, and a 40 degree. It has an hour gauge on it, the burner switch for on and off, and it also has the thermostat adjustment, so you can set the temperature that you want to run on the machine. That's a pretty much overall features and benefits of the new Wolverine. Again, I think this is a spectacular unit. I love this piece of machinery. If there's any questions you have, we'll be happy to answer them. Just let us know.